Konnichiwa! Let's learn how to be polite in Japan. This lesson is a collection of the culture tips from Enjoy Japan Holiday Lesson 1 to 6. You learn 6 points. Why do they bow? The etiquette on the train. Tipping culture. Places to go to party. Service culture and how to enter and leave a shop. Please call me Arai Sensei. If you want to visit Japan, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll get the useful phrases. Let's start from the bowing culture. A question. Why do Japanese people bow? You can make the other person higher by lowering yourself. It shows respect to the person. Make sense? And just bowing is polite enough if you forget Japanese phrases. It's useful everywhere, for example, at the airport, at a hotel, and in a shop. Lesson 2. Etiquette on the public transport. Question 1. Can you talk on the mobile phone on the train in Japan? The answer is no. On the train, metro, Shinkansen, and bus, it's important to be quiet for the other passengers. But Shinkansen has non-seating area and you can call here. Question 2. Can you eat food and snacks on the train in Japan? The answer is no. On the train, metro, and bus. Except Shinkansen, because it's normally a long journey. You can get Ekiben station bento on the platform before you get on. This is the one I enjoyed last time. And don't forget to throw the rubbish to the bin provided. And put the seat upright when you get off. Lesson 3. Tipping in Japan. A question. Do Japanese people give tips? Actually, no. Because service charge is normally included on the price. And culturally, the staff hesitate to receive extra money in addition to their wage. They probably do not want to look greedy. Lesson 4. The etiquette at accommodation. A question. Is it okay to have a party in your accommodation? Yes, if it's a quiet one. But no, if you want to play loud music or bring lots of people. But don't worry, Izakaya can be a good solution. It's a traditional Japanese style pub, especially in the ones which have many tables. You can enjoy a party with lots of people. Lesson 5. The etiquette at Izakaya. In Izakaya, a traditional Japanese pub, otoshi, a small dish like this, is served automatically once you take a seat. But it's automatically charged as well. It's the culture and I always take it. But if you don't want to take it, say, sumimasen. Otoshi wa kekkou desu. And bow. Okay? Lesson 6. How to leave a shop nicely. When you leave a shop, why you don't say arigatou gozaimasu, the proper expression of thank you. Instead, you say domo with smile and bow. Because arigatou gozaimasu is used when someone did something extra for you. Okay, today's summary, matome. Point 1, bow for respect. 2, no eating and calling on the phone except Shinkansen. And clear the seat when you get off the train. 3, normally no tipping in Japan. 4, basically no big party in your accommodation. 5, Japanese people take otoshi. And 6, domo for casual thanks. Perfect! You can give a great impression. Enjoy Japan Holiday Lesson 1 to 6 might be useful for your travel Japanese. If you want to learn more, try the playlist called Basic Japanese for Beginners Part 1. Also, please check Japanese pronunciation for beginners if you want. And more lessons are coming. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more, please visit masterspeakingjapanese.com. You can access for more lessons. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.